Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. We have a live lesson today at 1 o'clock. I can't wait to see all of your smiling faces. Don't forget, the WebEx code is 809-115-765. See you there. Love, Miss Rimmeride. For your greeting today, you can do triple high fives. Okay, so remember that's when you hit somebody's hand on top, and then you keep going, and then you'll hit their hand on the bottom, but you don't have to twist your hand at all. And then you bring your arm back up, and the backs of your hands will meet like this. So your arm is only going down and up, okay? And for your sharing today, I want you to comment on our post and share what is something creative you enjoy doing. Maybe it's drawing, maybe it's baking or cooking, maybe it's planting a garden. What is something creative you enjoy doing? And lastly, our activity for today is the same as yesterday. I only got a couple dance videos, and the project's not going to be very fun without them. So please make sure you send in a 5 to 10 second video of yourself dancing. But if that makes you feel uncomfortable, you can just take a picture of yourself posing however you'd want and just send that in instead. Okay? Have an awesome day. Can't wait to see you at 1 o'clock.